Coming to this question 5 here, find all four sum numbers. This question is just saying that we have to find four numbers such that on adding these four numbers will give the value which is equal to k, and k in this case is 3, and we have to find out four numbers from the array A. So 0, 0 and 2 and 1. Okay, these four values will give us the sum that is needed for this question. Okay, 0, 0, 2, 1. I hope you have understood that we have to find four numbers such that summation of those will get us the value of it. Now coming in terms of coding, how can we approach it? Okay, I always mention the optimal solution for you, and you can see in this question we are going to use two pointer approach two times. Okay, one time is for adding the values into the hash map. How we are going to add? We will take some value as key and ij will be index numbers. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and below is the values. Okay, these are not indexes, this is the value of those indexes. I have written all the possible combinations for two pointers. Okay, and we have taken the summation of those two pointers here. Okay, now let us draw this into the hash map. Here is our hash map. Now first value is 0. Okay, 0 summation. How many values are there for 0 summation? If you see from the diagram, you can say only one value is there. Obviously you have to iterate you have to iterate two times. One is for previous value and another is for continuation of the next elements, like 0, 0 is one value, then 0, 2 will be there, 0, 1 will be there, and 0, 1 again. Okay, in this way all pairs are taken care, and then I value will be updated, and again the I will start from here again. For this 0 we will take all the possible pairs. Okay, I have taken account all those possible pairs and have written down there some value here. Okay, now let us see how many 0 value indexes are there, and this is the index value. Okay, this is index and this is the sum is our key and index is our value in this dictionary or hash map. Now 0, 0 is our first element here. Okay, this is the value, not the index, so we have to take the index only. Okay, we are using multi-dimensional linked list because there can be more than one pair exist for the same sum. Okay, okay, now 0, 1, 0, 1 is this 0 index and 1 index. You can see the value is 0, 0. On addition we get 0. Okay, similarly all other cases will follow through. Next is summation of 1. We have index 0 and index 3 sum, that will be 1, and also index 0, 4 will be the sum of 1. Similarly 1, 3 and 1 and 4. Okay, we have all those four index pairs here. Fine. For second we only have, how many pairs we have for second? We have 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1 is 3 and 4 value. Okay, that is written, and there is again 0, 2. Okay, I think I have forgotten few values. Okay, how many values are there for summation of 2? We have this 0 index and 2 index. Okay, we will write it down here again inside this only. Okay, inside this only it is coming, it will continue. That will be 0 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay, now 2 is completed. Now coming to the 3 part here, summation of 3. How many such index pairs are there that we can get the summation of 3? 2, 3 index is written. 2, 3, 2 and 1 is 3. Fine. And again one more pair is there, 2 and 4th index 1. Both of them are mentioned here. So all the values have been included, sum value and index value pairs here. So this will be our final list of hash map. Now what we're going to do after constructing this hash map is we will again iterate these values, and we will again take the same value. Now what we're going to do is, okay, and as you know, now we got the value sum of two pairs. Now we have to find out how many, total 4, right? We have to find out 4, and we already know two values which are there inside the hash map. Now how can we find remaining two value pairs? Is we can do the subtraction. Here k is 3. Now what we will get, 3 minus 0. Okay, this is 3 minus some element here. I will write down here. So 3 minus 0 will get 3. 3 minus 2 will get 1. 3 minus 1 will get 2. And 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. We're going to do the same thing. Once we get the value for the index pairs, we will going to subtract that, and we will see if that value exists inside this hash map or not. First coming to the 0, 0 pairs here, and here k minus 0 is 3 here, right? This is k, this is k. K value we know now. Okay, k minus the current sum value, which is 3. If 3 is present inside the hash map, then that means there is a viable pair, okay, that can follow like summation of four numbers. Okay, now let us see it is there or not. We have 2 3 and we have 2 4. Okay, and for which one? For the 0 0 values. If we already know the indexes of this. So the 0, this is the 0th index and this is 1 index. Now we know this index, these two index, and the index present in the hash map. Okay, and also we need to be ensure that whatever index is there in searching currently, those values shouldn't be same. Like in this example 0 1, okay, 0 1 is not present either here or either here. We don't want those same index value to be present in either side. So we will check, we will fix a condition here, either left or right side should not be equal to I or j. Okay, that is first condition. Then we will iterate this one by one and we will store this inside a result, okay, for possible pair values. Okay, first value will be 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is one value, this is the index value. Remember, this is the index value. And another one will be 0 1 from left side, and from the right side inside the 3 only we have 2 and 4. Okay, and values of this indexes is 0 0 and 2 3. We have 2 and 1. Okay, 0 0 2 1, and you can see above also this is the same output that we have visualized earlier. So these are the numbers of that. Again for 0 1 2 4. Okay, for 0 1 2 4, you can check what are the values. For 0 1 2 4, it's the same value. 0 0 2 4 is also 1. Okay, these are the values. Okay, this is value, this is index, these are the same values. Okay, and we are going to ensure it doesn't contain any duplicate values. Okay, one value pair will be appended to the result one time only. Another time we will ensure it doesn't repeat. Okay, in this way we will find out the possible pairs by using this two pointer approach of hash map. If you still have some doubt, let us go into the coding section. After seeing the code, it will be more clear. Now we're inside the question. Find all four sum numbers coding part here. And this is the same things that we have discussed. This list will store all the possible four summation values. And this MP dictionary to store the two pointer values here. Okay. It will be used for checking. It will also be used for storing the two pointer value. Now SC variable here will ensure that there will be no duplicate values inside the list variable here. Okay, now coming to this coding part here, in this we have two for loops, and these two for loops are ensuring that we get all the possible values. Okay, all the possible values we will get here, and we will check if those values are not present inside the MP, the value summation part. Array I plus array j, I told left side is the sum. Okay, if we are checking if that sum exists in MP or not. If it doesn't exist, then we are going to simply take that summation and we are going to append the index values to that sum key. Okay, if the value already exists, the sum is already existing, we will simply append the index pair to that sum. Okay, this is the hash map. And similarly for second for loop, for two for loops here, first we have taken sum equal to array I plus array j. We're doing the same thing here as we have done here. Only difference is we have already stored this value. We're going to check a minus some value if it present in the dictionary or not. Okay, we are going to just check that if it is present, then we are going to check each and every index pair in that. Okay, and in this index pair we are ensuring that 0th index inside that pair and the first index inside that pair, both of them shouldn't be equal to the I and j values in the current loop. Okay, if those values are same, that means we are repeating the same index value. We don't want same index values to be repeated, we want different index values to be there. So that's why this condition is there. And after that we're going to store this in the temporary variable, and we're going to append it to the list here. So this list will contain all the possible foursome number values. It also contains duplicate values also. To ensure there are no duplicate values, we are taking another for loop outside of this, and now we're taking one by one value and we're going to change that into a single unique value. Okay, so there will be no more duplicate elements present. Okay, So this SE will add the distinct index pairs. Okay. So we will return the final list in sorted manner. Why sorted? Because this question is saying Q1 should be smaller than Q2, Q2 should be smaller than equal to Q3 and Q4. So we have sorted the final array. So it will follow the ascending order pattern. Okay. This is our solution for the question. I hope you have understood the presentation and also the coding part. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. We'll be very quick to respond. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe and like our channel and support us for our future content. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another version.